Good morning, dear teachers and students. Today we have a competition. The competition is called the second annual of the spelling bee. First, we have some participants and some judges. The participants are going to be spelling some words and the judges are going to judge them. The judges are Dahan, Aska, and Yarsan. But first, I'd like to welcome Lian on the stage for presenting a poem.
Ted the turtle was a turtle. He wasn't very fast. He was very slow. He wasn't big either. He was very small. He wanted to be an elephant. He realized he was being watched by a tiger. The point of the poem was you should be grateful what God gave you.
Your word is monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
Your word is correct.
R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
That's correct.
F-I-R-E-F-I-G-H-T-E-R. D-O-C-T-O-R.
Your word is correct. Your word is Australia.
Australia. A-U-S-T-E-R.
It's A-U-S-T-R-A-L-I-A.
F-U-R-Y.
That's correct.
Thank you.
Grade 6.
E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T. Experiment.
That's correct.
C-A-V-I-N-G.
That's correct.
S-O-R-R-Y. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R.
That's correct. Your word is vacuum.
Vacuum.
Yes.
V-A-C-U-M-E.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Word is teacher.
T-E-A-C-H-E-R. A-R-S.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Your word is beautiful.
B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
Your word is notebook.
N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K.
That's correct. Okay, windsail.
Windsail. W-I-N-D-S-A-I-L. Windsail.
That's correct.
C-U-B-E.
Your word is season.
S-E-A-S-O-N.
That's correct.
T-R-O-F-H-Y.
That's incorrect.
E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. L-I-Z-R-A-R-D.
That's incorrect. Your word is paint.
Paint. P-A-I-N-T. T-R-U-M-P-E-T. B-E-A-C-A-U-S-E.
I'm sorry, but that's incorrect.
O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A.
Screen.
S-C-R-E-A-M.
Correct.
Landscape.
Yes.
Land. Land. SCAPE.
GETLOST. Get lost.
UNIFORM.
That's correct.
Your word is debt.
DEAD.
That's correct.
LELESTRSITY.
That's incorrect. It's a demonstration.
Yeah. DEMONSTRATION.
That's correct.
Thank you.
GRANDFATHER.
That's correct.
TRAINERS.
That's correct.
OTHER.
That's correct.
CINMA. CENTRE.
That's correct.
FOUNTAIN.
Plastic. PLASTIC. Archaeologist.
ARCILOGST. NOTEBOOK.
That's correct.
CONCENT.
That's incorrect.
COUNTRY.
That's correct. You're nervous sometimes.
SOMEDIMES. PENGUIN.